Most people get this wrong. They assume all crypto wallets are equally secure and user-friendly. But the surprising truth about Jaxx Liberty is that it offers a strong balance of accessibility, multi-currency support, and control over your assets, while still requiring careful management. Jaxx Liberty supports over 80 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. The interface is designed for both beginners and experienced users, with clear charts, portfolio tracking, and integrated exchange features. This makes it easy to manage multiple assets without juggling multiple apps. Security is key. Jaxx Liberty is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you control your private keys. While this gives you full ownership of your funds, it also means you are responsible for backups. The wallet provides a 12-word recovery phrase that must be stored securely, or access to your crypto could be lost forever. The surprising truth is that while Jaxx Liberty is versatile, it's not ideal for storing large amounts of crypto long-term. Because it's a hot wallet connected to the internet, it carries inherent risks. Many users choose to combine it with a hardware wallet for maximum security. In conclusion, Jaxx Liberty is great for those who want a flexible, multi-currency wallet with portfolio management features. It's perfect for day-to-day trading, tracking your assets, and exploring the crypto market, but always remember to back up your keys and use extra security measures for larger holdings. Subscribe for more honest crypto wallet reviews and tips to keep your digital assets safe while maximizing usability.